Alright, we're now over by this other lake by my house. Chong just wants to go, go, go. He's driving me nuts. But I figure I'd show you this little spot. I don't see anything in the water. It probably is a nice fishing spot. There's not a whole lot of mosquitoes over here either. And this lake, me and my kids used to come here too. It does have special sentimental value. But, like I said, you gotta hold on to the good memories. When sometimes you're going through bad, and you gotta remember the mistakes of your past and look to the future. What else is there to do? You gotta live. Sometimes it's hard, but figure I show you the beauty of this lake, and hopefully it lifted your day.